Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your product URL in Shopify. Very easy to do. So all you want to do is start off on your Shopify homepage, just logged into your store. Then you want to go over to products and just go to the product that you want to change the URL for. So I'll just click on this one right here. What you want to do when you come to this page, you can adjust the title and description and stuff here too. But what you want to do is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you'll see the search engine listing preview. So this will just give you a little preview of what your search listing will look like. So my title does look good, but if you guys look under the title, you'll see this URL doesn't look the best. So all you want to do is just click on Edit Website SEO. Scroll down on that, and then you'll see you'll be able to change the URL right here. So you just want to highlight and get rid of what you have there. I recommend just putting the title. So if I just paste this right now, then it will change it to the title and it will look a lot better on SEO on Google. Once you're done adjusting your URL, you just want to click on save, and then that will save the product URL there for you. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If you guys are looking for more Shopify tutorials and tricks, I do have a playlist down below in the comments as well as in the description. But if this video helped you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.